Hello, my name is Thomas Parrish and I am the instructor of this course, UAS 115 Small Unmanned Aircraft Systems Certification. This course prepares you for the Small Unmanned Aircraft Flight Certification to promote compliance with the FAA. Topics include the FAA Title 14 CFR Part 107 Study Guide and the North Carolina DOT UAS Flight Standards to provide guidance in the areas of remote pilot certification, aircraft registration, marking, aircraft worthiness, basic piloting skills, and the operation of small unmanned aircraft systems. Upon completion, you should be able to sit for the FAA Part 107 exam and be prepared to pass the North Carolina DOT permitting process. Welcome to this class, and in a moment, I'll share with you how you can get started. Passing this class is relatively simple. All the materials you need are available via your Moodle class outline. This includes your syllabus, class schedule, my contact information, your text and/or associated readings, videos, quizzes, and assignments. To begin the coursework, you must first complete the enrollment verification quiz below. Once you begin your coursework, I recommend that you dedicate at least 2 hours per day per study. Once again, welcome, and I can't wait to get started.